Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about parts per million and parts per billion. So coming to the first one, that is parts per million. It is frequently used to express the concentration of a very dilute solution and it is denoted by ppm. This video is sponsored by GPAT Discussion Center. Visit JDC for gpat.com for details about GPAT, NIPER, Drugs Inspector and Pharmacist exams. Use Dr. Pushpendra classes coupon code, that is PK25, and get 25% discount in all online test series of GDC for gpat.com. Parts per million is also highly useful to express the concentration of impurities in pharmaceuticals. Formula for parts per million is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by mass of solution in gram into 10 to the power 6. So here I am taking one example how you will prepare 100 parts per million of chloride from NaCl. So for preparation of 100 ppm of chloride, we have to take 100 divided by 10 to the power 6. So it will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Multiply by 100 because this will be the 100th part of 10 to the power 6, means 100th part of 1 million. Now after solving this one we will get, so it will be cancelled out. So ultimately it will be 1 by 100, so it will be 0.01%. Now coming to the question, it is preparation of 100 ppm of chloride from NaCl. So molecular weight of NaCl is 58.5 and weight of chloride is 35.5. So for preparation of 100 ppm of chloride, we have to take 58.5 into 0.01 divided by 35.5. So after solving this we will get 0.01648 gram. It will be dissolved in 100 ml of distilled water. Why it is 100 ml? Because here we have taken 100%. Now coming to the next one, that is parts per billion. It is less popular term as compared to parts per million. That is why it is rarely used and it is also used for very dilute solutions. It is denoted by ppb and formula is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by mass of solution in gram into 10 to the power 9. Here also I am taking one example, and example is that how you will prepare 100 parts per million of sodium from NaCl. So for preparation of 100 parts per billion sodium from NaCl, same methodology will be followed. Here it was chloride, but here it is sodium. So calculation will be like this. 100, because it is 100 parts per billion, divided by 10 to the power 9. So it will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 into 100, because here I am calculating for 100 ml. So these 2 0 will be cancelled with this one, these 2 0 will be cancelled with this one. So ultimately 1 by 10,000, so it will be 1 divided by 1 0 0 0 0 0, and when we will solve this one, then we will get 0.00001%. Now coming to the final calculation, that is molecular weight of NaCl. So molecular weight of NaCl is 58.5 and the atomic weight of Na or sodium is 23. So 100 ppb sodium will be 58.5 into 0.00001 divided by 23. So after solving this one, we will get 0.0002543 gram, and this 2543 gram will be dissolved in 100 ml of distilled water, then it is 100 parts per billion of sodium. So this is the details about parts per million and parts per billion. Thank you.